Let's go through a problem in economics and a problem in economics. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is So Smart. So the question has given us everything that we need to solve this problem. So the question has given us the joint function. The joint function. The joint function, which is equal to C 5QA plus 3QB plus 5,000. And also, according to the question, the demand functions of the product, that is PA, which is equal to 205 minus 2QA minus QB, and also PB is equal to 153 minus QA minus QB. Then again, we determine the revenue functions for the product A and B. So revenue function for product A will be equal to PA multiplying PB. Then also RA, we can say RA will be equal to 205 QA minus 2Q square A minus QA QB. Then we can say revenue function for B will be equal to PB multiplying QB is equal to 153 QB minus QA QB minus Q square B. So you can state in the question, or you can state in your solution, that the RA and RB are revenue functions for product A and B. So we can say the joint revenue function, hence the joint revenue function is R is equal to RA plus RB, which is the sum of these two revenue functions for product A, then B, which will be equal to 205 QA minus 2Q square A minus 2QA QB plus 153 QB minus Q square B. So we have found the joint revenue, and also let's solve for the profit function. So here the profit function, let denote the profit function by P. The profit function will be equal to R minus C, that is the joint revenue minus the joint function. The joint revenue minus joint function. So if you subtract the joint function from the joint revenue function, you will get 200 QA minus 2Q square A minus 2Q AQB plus 150 QB minus Q square B minus 5,000. So right now the profit, we have found the profit function. So to find QA, and QB, to find QA and QB for which P is maximum, we will find the partial derivative of the P and also dividing the partial derivative of QA. So the partial derivative of P dividing the partial derivative of QA will be equal to minus QB minus 2QA plus 100, which will be equal to 0. Then again, and the partial derivative of P dividing the partial derivative of QB will be equal to minus QB minus QB plus 75 will be equal to 0. So solving for the two differential equation, solving the two equation, you will say QA will be equal to 25 and also QB will be equal to 50, using the revenue and also the profit function, using the revenue and profit function. Therefore we will say, the maximum profit occurs at 25 units A and 50 units B. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.